Welcome to Copy.ai for social media captions.
Looking to streamline your social media workflow? With Copy.ai, you can quickly generate engaging captions for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create compelling posts that capture your audience's attention. No writing experience required.
Getting started with Copy.ai.
Begin by signing into your Copy.ai account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is simple and free to start. Once logged in, you'll find a variety of templates designed to help you generate content quickly. Look for the templates specifically labeled for social media captions.
Selecting the right caption tool.
Navigate to the social media caption generator within Copy.ai's dashboard. Select your preferred social platform, like Instagram or Facebook. This ensures that the generated captions are tailored to platform-specific audience habits and content styles, giving your posts the best chance of standing out.
Inputting your content ideas.
Enter a brief description of your post, product, or idea into the text box. The more detail you provide, the more relevant and creative your captions will be. You can specify a tone, such as friendly, professional, or witty, to match your brand's unique voice.
Generating and customizing your captions.
Click the Generate button to receive a list of suggested captions. Browse through the options and pick your favorites. You can edit the captions directly in Copy.ai to further personalize your message before publishing, ensuring each post is both authentic and on-brand.
Tips for better engagement.
To maximize engagement, consider adding trending hashtags or calls to action to your captions. Experiment with different tones and sentence structures. With Copy.ai, you can generate multiple caption versions, making it easier to test which style resonates best with your audience.
Ready to elevate your social media?
Copy.ai takes the guesswork out of crafting compelling captions. By following these steps, you can save time and consistently create posts that engage and inspire your followers. Give it a try and see how Copy.ai can transform your social media presence.